So this is what I bought. Got some cases here. Wanna know what I got?
Sure.
Okay, so I got 2 esports case, 3 huntsmen, and 1 chroma. Sorry. Well, your stream is quiet. Alright.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna save the chroma for last. We're gonna open the esports one first. So here we go. Use key. Okay.
Oh my god, I am sonly.
Let's go, Gaben. Let's go, Gaben. USPS. Blood Tiger. Not the best.
Why the balls won't people join? Honestly, if we get in, my stream's gonna blow up. So I just
Okay.
really want to keep trying.
Alright, by the way, everybody that's watching this, Doughboy is streaming at the moment. We're trying to get H1Z1 to load. While we're doing it, I'm buying some cases. And we got a Negev. Wow, let's kill myself. You know, that it does look pretty cool, the Negev, but nobody likes that gun. Huntsman. And then chroma case is the best for last. Let's go, Huntsman case. Huntsman. Shh. Shh. Ah, Galil. Shh.
You said so many numbers so fast. Who, me?
Come on, guys.
It really saddens me that we went down this many viewers.
Ooh. It's not that great. Freaking stat track. SG. That looks pretty cool, though. Okay. Huntsman. Same SSG. Well, that was a waste. Alright, so we're down to our last case, the chroma. Oh gosh. I honestly like all the guns here. I got a cartel and M4. I got these 2 already. So. I just don't want that or these. I want a freaking purple one. Or red one, hopefully. Come on, please.
Unturned? Never mind me.
Come on.
I've tried playing Unturned. This freaking, I don't like it.
Oh my gosh. A Glock 18. Okay, well, we just wasted money.